Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to unblock contacts on WhatsApp web. Why would you want to know how to unblock contacts on WhatsApp web? Well, maybe it is your first time using WhatsApp and not sure how to unblock contacts on WhatsApp web. So today I am going to show you how to unblock contacts on WhatsApp web. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Unblocking contacts on WhatsApp web is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for all devices. Let me show how you will unblock contacts on WhatsApp web. First of all, open WhatsApp web in your browser. Now here is my WhatsApp web home screen. And then first click on menu, three dots in the top, and then select settings. And now in this window, click on privacy. And then scroll down and click on blocked contacts. Now just click on cross next to that number and click on unblock, and your contact has been unblocked. So there you go. If you were wondering how to unblock contacts on WhatsApp web, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.